TIG welding is, when you're done welding, if you do it right, you never have to use a brush. I just finished this weld, as you can see, and it's reasonably clean. And this job is done. Have a good day. This is an example of a gangplank that a customer brought me a design to build for him. Simple little gangplank. It's got bleacher plank going across the top. It's got angle on the sides. This is pretty strong. You can walk on this. See the bottom has nice rigid bleacher plank on it. We MIG weld the bottom. That's why you see some of the black. We'll brush that off. And the top has been TIG welded. Nice and clean when we're done. That's our gangplank.